When the warm weather months roll around, my go-to summer dish is my shrimp and pasta salad. It's quick, it's easy, and if you know a few supermarket shortcuts, you'll be at the dinner table in no time flat. Now, I've already cooked off some tricolor rotini. We've drained it and let it cool. Now, this is gonna go into a large serving bowl that'll also serve as your mixing bowl. One of your supermarket shortcuts here is cooked shrimp. You'll find this in the supermarket freezer section. Just make sure you thaw it out and you're ready to go. Take that cooked shrimp, drop it right inside. To make this a little easier as you begin to add the other ingredients, I like to combine them as I go, particularly with pasta. You want to fold the shrimp in gently because you want the pasta to hold its shape so you maintain its texture. Now, to there we're going to start adding some classic ingredients. Here's some chopped celery. Chop this nice and small. Now, with every ingredient, I like to do a little folding so everything becomes very even. Now we're going to add the mayonnaise. If you want to lighten this up, you can use a light or a low-fat mayonnaise. It's really up to you and whatever your dietary restrictions are. And the residual heat from the pasta will help to melt your mayonnaise. But now another supermarket shortcut. I love the tang of dill pickle. And in fact, when I was growing up, my mom used to make coleslaw and she would put pickle juice in the coleslaw to give it a nice briny, salty flavor. So we're going to use dill pickle relish. Make sure you're not buying sweet relish when you pick this up at the supermarket, but get yourself some dill pickle relish. Now, as we're working this in, we're going to add a little bit more flavor and a little more zip, some apple cider vinegar. This is going to give the dish a little more tang. From there, we'll add a little color with some chopped parsley. And now let's give that another stir. Now, we're going to add in a little cracked black pepper. Then we'll add in a little Old Bay seasoning. This gives it a little taste of the Chesapeake, a little taste of summertime. Now the easy part. You're gonna take this and park it in the refrigerator for 1 hour, and then when you get it out of the fridge, dust it with a little more Old Bay, and you can serve this up for your hungry crowd on a summer afternoon.